In this question, we have to draw the graph of the given linear equation, which is x plus y is equal to 4. Or this can also be written as x is equal to 4 minus y. Let us denote this by equation number 1. Now, to plot the graph of this linear equation, we have to find its solution. So first, let us suppose that y is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 4 minus 0, which is equal to 4. Let y is equal to 2, then this implies x is equal to 4 minus y, that is 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. Next, let us suppose that y is equal to 4. Then this implies x is equal to 4 minus 4. This is equal to 0. And let us take one more value of y to get the corresponding value of x. Let us suppose that y is equal to 1. This implies x is equal to 4 minus y, that is 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. Now, let us make a table to write the following values of x and y. Now, when y is 0, then x is 4. When y is 2, then x is 2. So next point is 2, 2. When x is 0, then y is 4. And finally, the fourth value is when y is 1, then x is 3. Now let us make a graph from this following table. First, let us draw the coordinate axis on which we will plot the graph. The first point we have to mark as 4, 0. Now x4 is this and y is 0, therefore this is the point which denotes 4, 0. Next we have to plot the point 2, 2. That is when x is 2, then y is 2. So this point denote 2, 2. Next we have to denote 0, 4. That is x is 0 and y is 4. And this point denotes 0, 4. And the last point we have to denote is 3, 1. That is x is 3 and y is 1. So this point denotes 3, 1. Now let us join these 4 points to get the graph of the given equation. Thus, this is the line which denotes x plus y is equal to 4. So this is the required solution. In this question, we have to draw the graph of the linear equation x minus y is equal to 2. The given linear equation is x minus y is equal to 2, which can be written as x is equal to 2 plus y. Let us denote this by equation number 1. And let us find the solutions of this equation and then we will plot the graph. First, let us suppose that y is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 2 plus 0, which is equal to 2. Now let us suppose that y is equal to minus 2. This implies x is equal to 2 plus of y is minus 2. So this is equal to 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0. Let us now take one more value of y to get the corresponding value of x. Let y is equal to minus 1. This implies that x is equal to 2 plus of minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. And finally, let us take y is equal to 2. Then this implies x is equal to 2 plus y, that is 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. Now, let us make a table to denote these 4 points. Now, when x is 2, then y is 0. The first point is 2, 0. When x is 0, then y is minus 2. When x is 1, then y is minus 1. And when x is 4, then y is 2. Now let us plot these points to get the graph of the linear equation x minus y is equal to 2. First let us draw the coordinate axis. First let us plot the point 2, 0, that is when x is 2, y is 0. This point denotes 2, 0. Next let us plot 0 minus 2. Now 0 is this and y is minus 2. So this point denotes 0 minus 2. Next let us plot the point 1 minus 1, that is x is 1 and y is minus 1. So this point denotes 1 minus 1. And lastly, let us plot the point 4, 2, that is x is 4, y is 2. So this point denotes 4, 2. Now, let us join these 4 points to obtain the graph. Thus, this is the line which denotes x minus y is equal to 2. This completes the solution. In this question, we have to draw the graph of y is equal to 3x. To draw the graph, let us find the solutions of this linear equation in 2 variables. First, let us suppose that x is equal to 0. This implies that y is equal to 3 into 0. So y is 0. Now, let us suppose x is equal to 1. This implies y is equal to 3 into 1, which is equal to 3. Next, let x is equal to minus 1. This implies y is equal to 3 into minus 1, which is equal to minus 3. And finally, let us suppose x is equal to 2. Then this implies y is equal to 3 into 2, which is equal to 6. Similarly, we can find infinitely many values of y corresponding to the values of x. Now, let us make a table and plot these points. When x is 0, y is 0. When x is 1, y is 3. When x is minus 1, y is minus 3. When x is 2, y is 6. Now, let us draw the coordinate axis to plot these points. Now let us plot these points. First point is 0, 0. So this is the point which denotes 0, 0. Next is 1, 3. That is x is 1 and y is 3. So this is the point which denotes 1, 3. Then we have minus 1, minus 3. That is when x is minus 1, y is minus 3. So this is the point which denotes minus 1, minus 3. And then we have 2, 6. That is when x is 2, y is 6. So this is the point which denotes 2, 6. Now let us join these 4 points to obtain the graph of the given linear equation. Thus, this is the line which denotes the linear equation y is equal to 3x. So this completes the solution. In this question, we have to draw the graph of 3 is equal to 2x plus y. The given equation 3 is equal to 2x plus y can be written as y plus 2x is equal to 3, or it can also be written as y is equal to 3 minus 2x. Let us denote this equation by 1. Now, we have to plot the graph of this linear equation. Now, first we will find the solution of this linear equation to draw the graph. First, let us find the solution by taking x is equal to 0. Then this implies y is equal to 3 minus 2 into 0. That is 3 minus 0, which is equal to 3. Now, let x is equal to 1. This implies y is equal to 3 minus 2 into 1. That is 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. Now, let us suppose x is equal to 2. Then this implies y is equal to 3 minus 2 into 2, which is equal to 3 minus 4, and this is further equal to minus 1. And let us take one more value of x. Let us suppose x is equal to minus 2. Then this gives y is equal to 3 minus of 2 into minus 2. So this is equal to 3 plus 4, since minus into minus is plus, so this is equal to 7. Now, let us make a table to denote these points. The first solution is when x is 0, y is 3. When x is 1, y is 1. When x is 2, y is minus 1. And when x is minus 2, then y is 7. Now, let us draw the coordinate axis first to plot these points. The first point is 0, 3, which is this point. The next point is 1, 1. This point denotes 1, 1. Then we have 2 minus 1, which is this point. And finally minus 2 and 7, which is this point. Now, let us join these 4 points to obtain the graph. Thus, this line denotes 3 is equal to 2x plus y which is the required graph. In this question, we have to give the equations of two lines passing through the point 214, and also we have to answer that how many lines are there passing through this point and why. Let's begin with the solution. And the given point is 214. First, let us denote this point on the coordinate axis. This is x, this is x dash, y and y dash. The point of intersection of two axes is 0. Then we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14, and here we have 2, 4. Now this is the point which denotes 214, and let us see how many lines we can draw passing through this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. That is, we can draw infinite number of lines passing through the point 214. So the answer to the second part is, there are infinitely many lines passing through the point 214, since we can draw infinite number of lines passing through a point. And this is also a point. Now, let us find two lines passing through the point 214. First equation passing through the point 214 is x plus y is equal to 16. Let us verify it. On substituting x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 14, in the left hand side of this equation we get 2 plus 14. So this is equal to 16. And this is equal to the right hand side of this equation. Therefore, this is the equation whose solution is 2 and 14. Next, 7x is equal to y is also an equation passing through this point, since we have 7 into 2 is equal to 14, that is left hand side is equal to right hand side, and hence these two are the equation of line passing through the point 2, 14. So this completes the solution.